Mr. C is here with a new spin on it. He's going to show you how to make magnetic slime. And I'm going to tell you right now, pay close attention to this one because it is fascinating to look at. You're fascinating to look at. How's it going?
Nice transition.
Great to have you back on the
you.
show.
Yeah, Happy New Year. This is the first time back this year.
Yes, it
Okay,
is.
so magnetic slime.
So first we're going to do a quick recipe and talk about making slime. So we've done slime way back yonder. I think it was the second time I was on the show. Elmer's glue, 6 ounces of Elmer's glue, and this is like a really quick, no borax solution. I'm going to have you take half a tablespoon and throw it in there really quick.
Wait,
for me,
half
Julia.
of that or
this right
this
there.
whole
Nope.
thing?
It's a half a tablespoon. Throw it in there. No, you're fine.
Okay.
Okay. So we're going to mix that up really well, and basically this is the beginning to our slime. So now the next step would be is to take that 1.5 tablespoon. Wait, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Okay.
She's always
Hold your horses.
She's
Yeah,
always
the
an
next
eager beaver.
thing,
The
so
next thing typically would be that, because that acts as a catalyst and allows those polymers to link together, and that's what makes slime.
Oh.
But because we're doing magnetic slime, this is where we would add the iron filings to it. So I brought some iron filings, and you also have a really strong magnet. It's a neodymium magnet, so it's really strong. And Zach is going to try to show the audience what that looks like, which is super cool, right?
Very
so
cool.
That magnet.
Kind of looks like your hair.
It kind of looks like my hair. I love it. I love it. So that's causing it to be polarized, and it's causing it to stand up. So I'm going to have you actually take 3 scoops.
3 scoops?
Not all of that. He's like,
I was getting ready to. All right, so 3
What
of
would
them.
happen if you did do all of that? A little scary?
we may have to do that. We may just have to try that sometime.
Okay, not here though.
All right, so now we mix it up really well. And while I'm mixing this up, the cool part about coming on air is I prep this stuff for us before I get here so that we have it ready. So once it's mixed up really well, now we're going to add that. And then,
Boom.
boom. It's like magic. I have some for you I made.
Thank
and
you.
I have some in there for you as well.
Okay.
So go ahead and take that out.
Take it out.
And while you're doing that, I'm going to make my batch right here. It's almost ready. It's super simple. It's slime, right? It has a great consistency. But what's really cool about it is because there are iron filings in it, guess what? It's going to want to behave differently than traditional slime. So, Julia, set yours down on the table.
Oh, okay, wait, I see. I have a magnet here.
I'll move this for you.
Okay.
And then just
What would you like me to do?
take that magnet and just drop it on it. And watch it just suck in. Isn't that awesome? Those iron filings are attracted to that magnet, and it just sucks right in. So go ahead and you can work around it, and you can mess with it. I made a batch really right here with tons and tons of filing. You did 3 scoops about? And
something like that, yeah.
This one I did 6 scoops. And what's cool is you can start kind of grabbing it, and it'll lift it up. And yours is really my favorite of the bunch because it's like because it's you over here, but it's like a snake. It wants to watch. It'll like chase it.
Wow. So you know what's good too? This is really essentially mess-free because it's not really sticking to the table and ruining it. It's coming back up.
No, this recipe for slime is just fantastic. And what I encourage kids to do at home with their parents is try different amounts, right? Different amounts of glue, different amounts of contact solution, different amounts of iron filings to see if you can actually change the way your slime behaves. And it's mesmerizing, and you start talking about magnetism, magnetic fields, and all sorts of fun stuff.
If you want to do this at home, it's very easy to. You can just contact Mr. C, watch this segment again, or go to his website, which you see right there. I'm going to keep this.
It's yours.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thanks. So cool.